Alright, so today we're kind of stealing an idea from another YouTuber, Chucky 2009. Great channel, a lot of welding tutorials and instructions, stuff like that. So gonna try and make the trailer hitch D-ring thing for later on when I need to pull the S10 up onto the trailer. I don't have a winch at the moment or a come along or anything, so I'm gonna take this plate, chop it up, weld me together a hitch for pulling stuff with a tow strap or chain or whatever. So let's get right into it. So we've got that pretty much cleaned up and got a nice weld bevel on the top. Now I'd say it's time to cut our square out of the plate and get that ready. So the plate's not perfect, but it's scuffed up, pretty much ready to go. Not perfectly square, but for a free piece of scrap, it's pretty good. Now I'm just going to put the weld bevel on the D-ring retainer part, and should be ready to start welding. So it's pretty much finished up. Not my best work, but I'm gonna blame the generator. Use the generator because my wall outlets kept popping because I don't have 220 yet. But and then of course the generator pops a few times, so I had a couple starts and stops where not everything is perfect. But once this cools down, I'll throw a coat of paint on it, see what it looks like. So for now, I just decided to give it a couple coats of clear coat, just to keep it from rusting. Don't have any big plans for it really. The only practical reason I made it was so I can pull the S10 up on the trailer without having to use a winch or come along or anything, which I don't have yet. So yeah, hopefully we'll get to use this thing before too long, make some progress on the S10 and stuff. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. I'm not a professional, so don't use whatever I do as a tutorial or whatever, but yeah, have a good day, see you later.